Enter, enter, entrance. Kitchen.
I cook in the kitchen.
Sit in the room.
I watch TV in the sitting room.
Upstairs.
Go upstairs.
Bathroom.
I have a shower in the bathroom.
Downstairs.
Go downstairs.
Dining room.
I eat in the dining room.
Quick, the toilet.
I go to the toilet.
Bedroom.
I